Good morning, grade 7. How are you today? Today we will study lesson 1 from unit 3 about celestial bodies. First, what are the celestial bodies? There are many bodies found in the universe, such as stars, planets, moons. These bodies are called celestial bodies. All of celestial bodies are in a permanent motion according to the will of Allah. So celestial bodies are bodies that swim in space, such as stars, planets, moons, and rocky or gaseous bodies. For example, stars. When you look at the sky in a clear moonless night, you will see a huge number of bright bodies. These bright bodies are called stars. Stars are big-sized bodies that emit enormous amounts of heat and light. Enormous means huge or massive. Stars appear small, although they are big-sized. Why? Because they are millions of kilometers away from us. The distances between stars are very large, so astronomers don't measure them in kilometers, but they measure them with light year. Astronomers mean the scientists who study the space. What is meant by light year? Light year is the distance covered by light in 1 year. And it equals 9.467 times 10 power 12 kilometer. This number is a constant value. Light year means the speed of light in 1 year. To calculate distance in light year, we use this law. Distance in light year equal distance in kilometer over 9.467 times 10 power 12. When I ask you what is meant by the distance between the sun and a star is 3 light years. This means that the distance in kilometer between the sun and the star equals 3 times 9.467 times 10 power 12 equal 28.401 times 10 power 12 kilometer. To calculate the distance in light year, for example, calculate the distance in light year between two stars. If the distance between them equal 37.868 times 10 power 12 kilometer. You must write the law distance in light year equal distance in kilometer over 9.467 times 10 power 12. We have distance between them in kilometer, so we need to calculate distance in light year. The result 4 light years. To calculate the distance in kilometer, for example, calculate the distance in kilometer between the sun and a star if the distance between them equals 5 light years. You must write the law distance in kilometer equals multiplying distance in light year by 9.467 times 10 power 12 equal 5 times 9.467 times 10 power 12, so the result with kilometer. Give reason. The stars seem as light points, although they are huge. The stars seem as very small light points in spite of their big size, because they are far from us. Question number 2. Astronomers don't measure the distance between stars in kilometers because these distances are too huge to be measured in kilometers, so they measure them with light year.